So today in this video I'm gonna show you 7 ways to troubleshoot and repair video playback errors. Let's come directly on the solutions and leave the common causes etc. To fix it, the method number 1. Fix corrupted videos with professional video repair software. One of the best ways to fix any video playback error is to use third-party software like Wondershare Repair It. This tool can fix almost any issue with your media, including format incompatibility, audio scenes, and video quality. Thus, if you need a universal solution, use Wondershare Repair It. The best part is that you can use the advanced repair feature to improve your video's quality. This is the application. You can see so how to do it. Step 1, open the program and click add. Choose the video you wish to repair. You can also drag and drop your files into the interface. Step 2, click repair after adding the video. Step 3, preview your files once the program finishes the process. So just review your files after it repaired. Step 4, if you like the outcome, click save and choose where to store your video. This is the basic step. You don't need to think much. This was the best way you can do. If after doing this method your problem solved, you don't need to watch the video ahead, but still if you want to know more methods, keep watching. Method number 2, install the latest codecs. Codecs are software components that read your so you can install this software instead if you want. It's your second method. Still, if you want another method, there is method number 3, update graphics drivers. Graphic drivers can significantly impact your device's performance if you don't update them regularly. You may experience issues with video playback and other performance factors. Thus, update your drivers to improve their performance and fix your videos by following the guide below. Step 1, head to Device Manager. Find display adapters and open the available options. Step number 3, right click your graphic drivers and click update driver. You have to right click on it and then click on update driver. Method number 4, repair videos using VLC. Open VLC and click media. Step number 2, select convert save from the drop down menu. Step 1, click add in the dialog box and choose your video. Step 2, click the convert save button. Step 3, head to profile section under settings. Step 4, choose the input codec and click start. After that, VLC will start repairing your corrupted videos. Method 5. Use a Windows restore point. If the playback issue appears after you have updated your operating system XYZ, so how can you do it? Let's directly give you the solution. Step 1. Open the control panel. Step 2. Search for recovery. Click Open System Restore and follow the on-screen instructions. After completing these steps, restart your device. Method 6. Troubleshoot videos on Windows. Windows has a built-in tool that lets you troubleshoot hardware and software. You can run it to check if everything works correctly with your videos and audio files. Here's how to run the video playback troubleshooter. Open the control panel. Step 2. Search for troubleshoot and click the troubleshooting option like this. Step 3. Select view all in the left sidebar. Here is a view all. Step 4. Find video playback and click it. Step 5. Hit next to continue. Restart your PC once the program finishes scanning and troubleshooting video playback. Now last and final method, method 7. Update your Windows operating system. Step 1. Open settings. Step 2. Click update and security. Step 3. Click check for updates. Step 4. Download and update if available. This method should fix operating system errors leading to the video playback issue. Thanks for watching the video, friends. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe.